Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn some words about family members in English. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Mother,
mother,
father,
father,
son,
son,
daughter,
daughter,
elder sister,
elder sister,
younger brother,
younger brother,
younger sister,
younger sister,
elder brother,
elder brother,
grandfather,
grandfather,
granddaughter,
granddaughter,
grandmother,
grandmother,
grandson.
grandson. They are our grandparents. We are their grandchildren. They are our parents. We are their children.
Uncle,
Uncle,
aunt,
aunt. They're my cousins.
great-grandparents,
Great grandparents. They are parents of my grandparents.